Hi, my name is Aydin Mirzayev, 22 years old, from Azerbaijan, and I'm studying in the MERIT MARM 06 program at TalTech. And I work as a manufacturing engineer in the FLIR Systems OU. My expectations when I joined this program was, since I was in the industry for quite a big time already and I had the experience, wanted to know everything in details, how general production or the industry is working, how to manage it, how to make sure everything is smooth. For example, lean concepts, 5S, Kaizen, whatsoever. Also the concepts of IoT being used in the industry or the production as well. The knowledge that I've been already given, I already implemented them in my workplace, at least in my career. I've been participating in different continuous improvement events or generally helping the production to be more productive, let's just say, doing improvements, implementing new solutions as well, with additive manufacturing, also with of course with the Internet of Things as well, learning the concept of how to manage production as well. It's really industry driven, especially if you are transferring yourself in the career to the industry, to the production, or you're already working there and want to know more knowledge how production works or how to manage it properly. I would definitely recommend this program. It gives you everything in details, how to manage everything, how to keep everything on track, provide some improvements. Basically, I learned a lot of new interesting things. But that's it.